Okay, so if they give you a line, I'm going to talk about the line, fella, right now. Here's a line. I'm going to make it evenly the points, it's a 2. You've got point A there. Let's give it the value. Let's say it's 2, semicolon, maybe let's say, and maybe say 8. And then we've got another point there. This is like maybe one side of a maybe triangle, square, rectangle, anything, but you'll always have a line, at least more analytical geometry. And then this one, maybe I can make it 6, semicolon, let's say maybe, and 12. Good. Now, the distance formula, we write it with capital letter. We want the distance of that line, AB. So the distance will be given by, it's actually x2 minus x1, close bracket, all squared, then plus, open the bracket, it's Pythag, it's delta y and delta x, and y2 minus y1, close the bracket, all squared, and then all of that is under the square root sign. All of that is under the square root sign. So that is the distance formula. So where now what you can do with your pencil, you can maybe say, name these guys. You can come and say, you know what, guys, I'm going to call this one as x1. I'm going to call this one as y1. It doesn't matter. You can call this x2 and y2. And then this one will be x2, and then this will be y2. And then what you do, I'm going to give you an advice. An advice is that when I just substitute, you say x2, I can say it's 6. Remember, okay, let's make one of them minus. Okay, maybe let's go here. This one here, by 8 to make it minus, yeah. All right, so by x2, it's 6 minus that 2. So you're having 6 minus 2, close bracket, all squared, then plus y2 is 12, and then it will be minus from the formula, minus 8, ke plus, ne? It's minus negative 8, so like that, squared. Then we do that, and then just put that whole thing in the calculator. So when you go to the calculator, I'm going to press square root. I open the bracket. I've got 6 minus 2, close bracket, squared, plus, open bracket, 12, then plus the 8, close the bracket. I square that, equals to. My answer has the square root. Can you see that? It's called a Z-form. Answer with square root, it's a Z-form. So it's going to be 4 root of 26. That is the length of that line. That's how you apply the distance formula. Okay, these are the videos which were saving. Okay. You got it, ne? You understood the distance formula?
Got it.
All right, now, with the distance formula, they can do the vice versa. Meaning, they didn't give you all the points. Let's say, for example, minus 8. Let's say I delete minus 8. We put a letter, let's say we call it K. And then they want you to figure out K, but they will tell you the distance K4 root of 26. So which means when now what you do, it's the same formula, more AB, more AB. Utlo Kenya 4 square root of 26. Like how I substituted, exactly like this. And then more K, because it will come out as if it's positive. Not about monaling 8, monaling 8, you're going to have minus the K, like that. We good?
Yeah.
Then to get rid of square roots, you know you square both sides. You did getting square. You did squaring both sides. Come on. You remember that?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, and then you work it out. It will come back to -8 again.
Okay.
So what did I say? They give me the points to get the distance. We good?
Mm-hmm.
The reverse. They give me points. One of them is missing. The distance is given. Then I must get the point. Give me the points to get the distance. Give me the
Okay.
distance to get one of the point. Can you see? It's back and forth. You must work it out back and forth, this thing. All right. So now resharp we had. Now I've explained the distance. You can use it back and forth. All right. So I'm keeping that number as is. So this one, I'm saving it as the first